24 hours no phone challenge, Chloe Ting 2-week ab challenge, overnight in blank challenge, baking challenge, 24-hour in car challenge, any type of TikTok challenge. Routines: my school routine, my morning routine, my night routine, hair care routine, skin care routine, workout routine, my shower routine, makeup routine. DIYs: DIY room decor, DIY Starbucks drink, DIY face mask, DIY throw blanket. You can DIY anything, so find something and do it. Advice: YouTube advice, dating advice, my unpopular opinions on controversial topic, life lesson advice. Story times: first time smoking weed, first time losing virginity, car accident, how I met my boyfriend, scariest time of my life. Lifestyle and tips: room transformation, tips and tricks to save money, jobs to do to make extra money, deep cleaning car, current favorites I'm living, day in my life, what's on my iPhone, things to do while bored, pulling an all-nighter, I'm pregnant prank on family, clothing haul, try on, outfit ideas, Netflix recommendations, spa day pampering myself, what I eat in a day, room tour, girl hygiene tips, asking boys questions girls are too afraid to ask, how to be confident, travel diaries, mukbang, get to know me Q&A, how I edit and film my videos.